on the concept time and work part 1. We have covered a few different problems which came in previous competitive exams. Remaining model problems. Let us continue in this video. Please subscribe my channel as my intention is to come back with videos on different concepts of aptitude covering all the model problems came in previous competitive exams and give solution to them with simple tricks and shortcut formulae. Now let us start solving the problems. First problem, A takes twice as much time as B or thrice as much time as C to finish a piece of work. Working together, they can finish the work in 2 days. B can do the work alone in. Option A is given as 4 days, option B as 6 days, option C as 8 days, option D as 12 days. So in this problem, you have to first write using each and every sentence given in the question as equations. Okay, the relations, if you write clearly, you will get the required answer. So in the first sentence, it is given that A takes time twice as much of B. It is nothing but time. The relation between A, B and C in terms of time is given as A equal to 2 into B. That is, if A takes 2 times of B, how much time B takes, that much twice A will take to complete the work. And the other thing is given that sometimes A takes thrice as much as C. That is nothing but A equal to 3 into C. That is what he has given. So if A will take a time taken by C into 3. And next sentence they have given that working together they finish in 2 days. It is nothing but working together is nothing but total how many candidates are there? A plus B plus C. These 3 candidates will complete the work in 2 days. That is what they have given in these sentences for the time. The relations for the time or between the candidates in the question. Okay, now he has to find B alone. Okay, if they ask to B alone, then it is clear that if you subtract from this whole total work together with the work time taken by A plus C, you will get the B alone value. Is it not? The time taken by A plus B plus C, if you subtract the time taken by A plus C, you will get the B time only. Is it not? It is clear from this relation. So first we need to calculate the time taken by both A and C. So first relation is given as A equal to 2 into B. In the second relation, he has given A equal to 3 into C. But we need C value. To get the C value, we will use this one. So this becomes C equal to A by 3. That is I brought this 3 to RHS. C becomes C equal to A by 3. Now, A is nothing but, in first sentence, he is given that A is equal to 2 into B. So this becomes 2B by 3. So now we have A value, C value. So first let us calculate A plus C. Time taken by both candidates A and C. Then this is nothing but the shortcut method I am using here, which I explained in previous video. That is, you have to multiply these two. 2B into 2B by 3 whole by 2B plus 2. Next you have to add these two. Is it not? In denominator you have to add these two. So I have done the same thing. So this becomes 2 into 2. It is 4 into B. Numerator and denominator B is common. So 1B, you will be left with 1B. And here it becomes 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8. So this goes at 4 ones and it is 2. So we will be left with B by 2. So we got A plus C is equal to B by 2. Now using this value and A plus B plus C by this value, we will calculate B alone using the shortcut method which I explained in the previous video. That is, I will use this value and this value to calculate the value of B alone. B alone is nothing but B equal to, you have to multiply this and this. So 2 into B by 2. As he asked to find the alone value, first you have to write this value, that is B by 2, minus the total value. Total value is given as 2. So this is equal to 2. So this becomes, here in numerator and denominator LCM is denominator 2 is common, is it not? Here 2, here LCM will be 2. So both 2 cancels. This will be left with, you will be left with 2b by b minus 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. Now let the time taken by b itself. So now we got b is equal to 2b by b minus 4. So this cancels. So you will be left with b minus 4 is equal to 2. So this becomes b equal to, bring this minus 4 to this side, this becomes 2 plus 4. This is equal to 6. Understood? I brought this to numerator. This became b minus 4 is equal to 2. I brought this minus 4 to LHS. This becomes plus 4. 2 plus 4 is nothing but 6. Everything is every time is related is in the terms of days. So this is also days. So B will take 6 days to complete the work alone. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option B. Okay. In this way you have to solve this type of problems. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem. Work done by A in 1 day is half the work done by B in 1 day. Work done by B is half of the work done by C in 1 day. If C alone can complete the work in 7 days, in how many days can A and B and C together complete the work? Options given as A 4, option B 14, option C 21, option D 28, option E none of these. So in this problem, he gave the relation between the candidates A, B and C in terms of work. That is, work. In terms of work, he has given that A can do the work in 1 day if is equal to the half of the work done by B. That is A equal to half into B. And the next sentence he has given that work done by B, that is B, equal to half of the work done by C, half into C. And the next sentence he has given that C alone can complete the work in 7 days. That is C equal to single work by time, that is 7. One work in 7 days he can complete. In how many days A plus B plus C, B and C together can complete is nothing but A plus B plus C is equal to how many time, that is he asked regarding the time, how many days they will complete the work he has asked. That is here he has given the question related to time. So he gave the relation related to work and he asked to find the time. So this becomes, so using this relation, B value becomes B is equal to 1 by 2 into what is C, he has given 1 by 7. So substitute here. So we will get 1 by 14. Next A will be A equal to 1 by 2 into B value, that is 1 by 14, that is equal to 1 by 28. Now we have to calculate A plus B plus C. Work done by A plus B and C together. So this is equal to sum of all the work done by each candidate. So one is 1 by 28 plus 1 by 14 plus B is equal to 1 by 14, C equal to 1 by 7. Now let us take the LCM. 7, 14, 28. Is it not? So 7 is the factor of 28. So just cancel it. And 14 is the factor of 28. Is it not? So this also cancels. So LCM is 28. I am using the LCM trick which I explained in my channel. Okay. You can find that trick in the playlist Trick for Quick Calculations, which I will give in the descriptions. Okay. So the LCM is 28. So here the LCM is 28. 28 ones, it is 28 plus 14 twos plus 7 fours. So total will be 6, 7, 8. 8 by 5, 6, 7. So 7 by 28. 7 by 28 is nothing but 1 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 4. We got the work done by A plus B plus C as 1 by 4. But he asked regarding the time. Regarding the time is equal to time of A plus B plus C is nothing but it is 1 by, this is work and this is time. We need time. Time is nothing but this is work. Is it not? This is time. So what is the time here? It is 4. 4 is nothing but everything is in days. So it is also 4 days. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option A. Okay. In this way you have to solve this type of problems. That is, you have to write the sentences in form of relations. You will get, if you use those relations, you will get the required answer. Now let us go to next problem. Next question. Rosa can eat 32 rasgullas in 1 hour. Her sister Leela needs 3 hours to eat the same number. How much time will they take to eat 32 rasgullas together? Options given as option A 45 minutes, option B 75 minutes, option C 90 minutes, option D none of these. In this problem, he has given the work related to 32 rasgullas and has to find the time related to 32 rasgullas only. So the work is same. For 32 rasgullas, he has given that Rosa has taken 1 hour. This is time. This is work he has given. And this, the time is given as, for Rosa has taken 1 hour and sister has taken 3 hours. What he has to find, how much time will they take to complete, to eat 32 rasgullas together. That is the same work. For the same work we have to find the time. So we have to find the time R plus S. It is simple. The same shortcut method which I explained in previous problems. The same thing I am applying here. You have to multiply these two times. The time taken by Rosa and sister. Just multiply them. Divide it by and add these two. 1 plus 3. This is nothing but 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but hours. Is it not? Now he has to find the time taken by both together. We have done, but the options are given in minutes. So we have to convert this time into this hours into minutes. So this can be converted by 3 by 4 into 60. Is it not? So this cancels at 4. 1s are 4 and you will be left with 2. This is nothing but 5. So this is equal to 15 and 1. It is nothing but 45 minutes. Okay. We have converted the hours into minutes. We got 45 minutes. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option A. Okay. First you have to carefully observe in the question for what work he has to find the time. If the same work is given, just use the shortcut method and find the time for both, that is R plus S. And here in the options it is given in minutes, so I have come as the time we have calculated in hours and the options are given in minutes, I have converted the time into minutes and got the required answer. In this way you have to solve this type of problems. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem. A conveyor belt delivers baggage at the rate of 3 tons in 5 minutes and a second conveyor belt delivers baggage at the rate of 1 ton in 2 minutes. How much time will it take to complete 33 tons of baggage delivered using both conveyor belts together? Options given as A 25 minutes 30 seconds, option B 30 minutes, option C 35 minutes, option D 45 minutes. So in this problem he given the work done by work for the candidates. So first let us write down the relations given in the question for 1 minute. Okay, for 1 minute, first belt will take how much time? 3 tons of work, that is 3, work by time, that is 5. This is the work done by first belt. Second belt will do. Second belt, he has given the relation that 1 ton in 2 minutes. 1 ton in 2 minutes means work is nothing but 1 by 2. This is the work in 1 minute. But he has to calculate, has to find the time for 33 tons. So we need the time. So to get the time is nothing but time taken by first belt will be reverse of this. So 5 by 3. This second belt will be reverse of this, reciprocal of this. That is 1 by 1 by 2. So this will be 2. Total time will be F plus S is equal to the shortcut method, same. Multiply these two. 5 by 3 into 2 by 5 by 3 plus 2. So this is nothing but 10. Denominator here it is 3 and here LCM is 3. So both 3 cancels. We will be left with 10. 5 into 2 is nothing but 10. And here it is 6. 6 plus 5 is nothing but 11. So time taken by F plus first belt and second belt together is nothing but 10 by 11. What he is asked to find? He has to find for 33 tons of baggage, how much both belts will take together. Is it not? That is what he has asked. So for both for 33 tons means for 33 tons the time will be, time is nothing but, what is the time? For 33 you have to write down the how much work we need the time. 33, that is for 33 tons we need. So write down here 33 into total time taken for each both the candidates to do the work in 1 minute. That is, here it is 10 by 11. Is it not? So write down here 10 by 11. So 11 threes, this is nothing but 30. So we got 30 minutes. Both will take to complete 33 tons of work in 30 minutes. Let us go to the options and check. It is option B. Okay, understood? First I have written the relations between the candidates given in the question for 1 minute. As he has given the work, I have written for both the candidates for 1 minute. From that I have find the time. I found the total time which they have taken to complete the work in 1 minute. As he asked for 33 tons of work, I have just multiplied with the how much work we need. That is 33 into in 1 minute. In how much time they can both do the single work. That is, here it is 10 by 11. Is it not? So I have multiplied for single work. If they take 10 by 11 for 33 tons of work, it will be nothing but 33 into for single work how much time they will take. I have multiplied it. I got the required answer. In this way you have to solve this type of problems. Now let us go to next problem. Next question. A manufacturer builds a machine which will address 500 envelopes in 8 minutes. He wishes to build another machine so that when both are operating together, they will address 500 envelopes in 2 minutes. The equation used to find how many minutes x it would require the second machine to address 500 envelope alone is. Options given as A, 8 minus x equal to 2. Option B, 1 by 8 plus 1 by x equal to 1 by 2. Option C, 500 by 8 plus 500 by x equal to 500. Option D, x by 2 plus x by 8 equal to 1. So in this problem, he has given that there are two machines. So in 1 minute, first machine can do 500 envelopes. The work can be done is 500 by 8 minutes. Second machine is given as second is equal to, for the second machine he has to find the minutes and he has given that for how much x minutes he can complete the 500 envelopes. So that is, we have to write the equation, is it not? So 500 envelopes in x minutes, that is what he has given. How many minutes x it would require to complete the second machine to address 500 envelopes alone. Next he has given that they both together can complete the work that is 500 envelopes in 2 minutes. Okay. So 500 work by time. This is everything is for 1 minute. First machine can do 500 by 8. The second machine 500 by x. And the total both together can complete the work in 500 by 2. Now to find the value of x, the relation is nothing but this both the total should be equal to this. That is 500 by 8. We have to substitute here. That is 500 by 8 plus 500 by x equal to 500 by 2. As 500 is common both sides, this 500 cancels. So you will be left with 1 by 8 plus 1 by x plus x equal to 1 by 2. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option B. Okay. It is very simple problem. Only the question is looking long. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem. Computers A take 3 minutes to process an input while computer B takes 5 minutes. If computers A, B and C can process an average of 14 inputs in 1 hour, how many minutes does C alone can take to process one input? Options given as A 4, option B C 6, option C 10, option D none of these. In this problem he has given that in the first sentence he has given the time taken by A as A equal to 3 minutes to do the work and B 5 minutes. And he has to find the time for C alone to complete the work. Is it not? So, if you subtract from the total time taken by the candidates, that is A plus B plus time, the time taken by all together, from this time, if you subtract the time taken by A plus B, that is A plus B time, you will get C alone time. Is it not? The same shortcut method which we had done for the first problem. So to get the C time, we have to subtract from this whole time the time taken by both A and B. Is it not? So first we have to find A plus B. So A plus B is equal to 3 into 5. The shortcut method, first you have to multiply, divided by, add these two. 3 plus 5, this is equal to 3 5s, it is 15 by 8. This is minutes. Is it not? Now, in the next sentence, he has given the work done by A, B and C. Is it not? So, work is given that A plus B plus C is equal to 14 inputs in 1 hour. It is an average value. So, we need the sum of A plus B plus C means we have to multiply the work into how many candidates? 1, 2, 3. It is an average value he has given. We need the sum of the work done by the candidates. To this work, we have to multiply how many candidates here? 1, 2, 3. So, into 3 divided by the time. Time is given in 1 hour. So, 1 hour, here it is in minutes. So, this value should be also in minutes. So, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes divided by 60. So, this is equal to 3 30s, 20s. And here it is 10 and here it is 7. So you will get 7 by 10. This is the work or done all together. But we need time. So time will be A plus B plus C is equal to reverse 10 by 7. Is it not? This value is work. We need time. So reciprocal of this only. 1 by work is nothing but time. So that is 10 by 7. Now we have the value of A plus B and A plus B plus C. So we can easily calculate C value. C value is nothing but C equal to 15 by 8 into 10 by 7. We need the alone value. Alone value means divided by, we have to write 15 by 8 subtracted by the total 10 by 7. So this is equal to a numerator and denominator. The numerator and denominator, it is in the numerator the denominator is 56. Here it is also in denominator it is LCM is also 56. So both cancel. So this can be written as 15 into 10 and here it becomes 15 into 7. it is nothing but 105 minus 80. So this is equal to 15 into 10 by, it is nothing but 525. So 5 2s and 5 5s, 5 3s. So this is nothing but 3 into 2 we left. This is equal to 6 minutes. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option B. Okay. In this way you have to solve this type of problems. That is, using the sentences, if we write the correct relations, you will get the required answer. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem. P, Q and R are three typists who working simultaneously can type 216 pages in 4 hours. In 1 hour, R can type as many pages more than Q as Q can type more than P. During a period of 5 hours, R can type as many pages as P can during 7 hours. How many pages does each of them type per hour? Options given as A 14, 17, 20. Option B as 15, 17, 22. Option C 15, 18, 21. Option D 16, 18, 22. So in each and every sentence he has given the relation. Okay. So he has given that in 1 hour P plus P, Q and 3 and R. P plus Q plus R equal to how much work they can do? 216 divided by 4. This is nothing but 4 5 20 and it is 4. So this is equal to 54. So we got P plus Q plus R is equal to 54. Let it be 1. Next. In next sentence is given that R can type as many pages more than Q. So that is R minus Q as equal to Q can type more than P. So Q minus P. This is the second relation he has given. And next he has given that during 5 hours R can type as many pages as P can during these 7 hours. So R can type the work R by how much time this R can do, that is in a period of 5 hours divided by time. This is equal to the time taken, work done by P by time. How much time it is? 7 hours. Let it be option, let it be 3. Okay. Now we have 1, 2 and 3. First let us use from 2. Okay. From 2, this becomes, when you bring this minus Q to this side, this becomes 2Q is equal to minus P to this side. This becomes R plus P. Is it not? So substitute this into 1. Okay. Now we have to substitute in 1. If you substitute this in place of P plus R, 2Q, this becomes 2Q plus Q equal to 54. So this is equal to, this equal to 3Q is equal to 54. So Q is equal to 54 by 3 is nothing but, it is 3 ones and you will be left with 2, that is nothing but 18. So we got Q is equal to 18. Now substitute this into this value. That is, using this Q value and the relation this one and third relation here, this can be written as R is equal to 5 P by 7. Is it not? So using this value and this one, if you substitute in this, you will get 2 into 18. That is, I am substituting in this one, let it be 4. Okay. So let it be 4 in 4. If you substitute, you will get 2 into 18 is equal to 5 P, we got here 5P by R equal to 5B by 7. Is it not? I am substituting here plus P. So we got one value as 18. Let us go to the options and check. Here 18 is in one option. The other is also having 18. So might be these two options will be the answer. So let us solve and check. So this becomes, when you bring that 7 to that side, this becomes 5 plus 7 is nothing but 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 is, so this becomes 12P by 7. 12P by 7 equal to 2 into 18. Is it not? So P equal to 2 into 18 by into 7 by 12. So 2 6 are 6 3s. So this is equal to 21. We got P as 21. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option C is the answer. If you want to calculate the value of R, just substitute this P value here. In this R equal to 5P by 7, you will get 5 into 21 by 7. This is equal to 7 3s. Is it not? So this is equal to 15. So we got Q value as 18, P value as 21, R value as 15. Okay. 3 values are we got. Let us go to the options and check. It is option C. Understood? So each and every sentence given in the problem I have written in the form of equations and I solved them and got the required answers. In this way you have to solve this type of problems. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem, Ronald and Ellen are working on an assignment. Ronald takes 6 hours to type 32 pages on a computer while Ellen takes 5 hours to type 40 pages. How much time will they take working together on two different computers to type an assessment of 110 pages? Options given as A, 7 hours, 30 minutes. Option B, 8 hours. Option C, 8 hours, 15 minutes. Option D, 8 hours, 25 minutes. So in this problem, he has given that he has given that Ronald takes, for 1 hour, he can complete an assessment 32 pages in 6 hours. So 32 by 6. Work is nothing but 32 by 6. This is in 1 hour. How much work he can do? Okay. Next, Ellen can work 40 pages in work by time, 5 hours. Is it not? So this is nothing but Ronald is equal to 3's and it is 16. So Ronald work will be 16 by 3. Ellen's work will be 5 8's. So Ellen's work will be 8. So here total work both together can do is R plus S is equal to 16 by 3 plus 8. Is it not? We are doing the work, not the time. So just add these two. This becomes 16 plus 24 divided by 3. This is equal to, it is nothing but 40 by 3. This is the work. If we need the time is nothing but reverse of this. Is it not? So reverse of this is nothing but 3 by 40. What he has to find? He has to find how much time they will take together to complete 110 pages. So for 110 pages, it is nothing but 110 pages time is equal to 110 into 3 by 40. 0 0 cancels. This is equal to 33 by 4. So 33 by 4 can be written as 4 8s are, it is 32 plus 1. This is hours. Is it not? We have calculated in terms of hours. Now let us go to the options and check. Here nothing is in hours. They have given hours and minutes. So let us convert this 1 by 4 into minutes. So this is equal to 8 hours 1 by 4 into 60 minutes. So this becomes 4/15. So this is equal to 8 hours 50 minutes. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option C. Okay. In this way you have to solve the problem. That is, if they give the work done by two candidates for different works, first find in 1 hour how much work they can do together. Okay. From that you can find the time for doing each completing one work. So when you get for completing one work how much time they will take, you can easily calculate for how much for any different works. That is, here he asked for 110, so just multiplied that work how much for 110 pages he will take the time. So 110 into the time I have done, and I got the required answer. Okay, in this way you have to solve this type of problems. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem, cloth makers incorporate has PEEP spindles, each of which can produce a few meters of cloth on an average in hour minutes. If the spindles are made to run with no interruption, then how many hours will it take for 20,000 meters of cloth to be produced? Options given as 20,000 PQ by R, option B 20,000 RQ by P, 20,000 option C as 20,000 R by PQ, option D is given as 20,000 R by 60 into PQ. So in this problem, in the first sentence he has given that work in 1 hour equal to how much cloth they can produce. It is Q meters of cloth. It is the average value he has given. Is it not? Q meters. The work is given in average. We need the sum. So Q into how many now spindles are there? P. So Q into P by time. What is the time here? It is R. Next, he asked for 20,000 of minutes. How much hours it will take? So for 20,000 he asked for the time. So time will be required time. Altogether time will be reverse. Is it not? R by PQ. So for 20,000 will be time will be 20,000 into R by PQ. This is minutes. Is it not? He asked for hours. So this is equal to, we have to divide it by 60. Is it not? We have to convert into minutes. R minutes into hours. So 20,000 into R by 60 PQ. Okay. It is very simple problem. Just understand the logic. You will get the required answer. Without on seeing itself, you can give the answer. It is option D. Okay. In this way, you have to solve this type of problems. This is nothing but the logic required for for us to solve time and work problems of different type. Okay. If we know the logic, you can by seeing the options itself, we can give the required answer. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem. Two workers A and B are engaged to do a work. A working alone takes 8 hours more to complete the job than if both work together. If B worked alone, he would need 4 1/2 hours more to complete the job than they both working together. What time would they take to do the work together? Options given as A 4 hours, B 5 hours, 6 hours, C as 6 hours, D as 7 hours. In this problem, he has given that both A and B work together to do a work. A took more time than they took to complete the work together. Is it not? So, but he didn't, and he has to find the time how much both A and B took together. So let us take A and B as X. Work done by time. Both A and B took as X. Take it as X. Okay. And in this sentence he has given that A took 8 hours more than the time which they took together to complete the work. Is it not? So keep plus of X time. So more time than A took 8 hours more than the they took to complete the work together. Time to complete the work together. Is it not? So keep it X. So you will get plus X. Next, B is given as B worked alone. He need 4 1/2 hours more to complete the job than they both together, working together. So it is nothing but 4 1/2 can be written as 4 2s. It is 8 plus 1. It is 9/2 plus X. Is it not? More than they did together to complete the work. Here we took it as X. So just add. More means we have to add plus X. Is it not? Just add plus X. Now we have to find the time which they took together. We took together as X. Is it not? So the time taken by both is X is equal to, multiply these two, the shortcut method which I explained, 9/2 plus X divided by sum of these two. Here we are finding A plus B time together, working time together. Is it not? Which we took it as X. So A plus X plus 9/2 plus X. Is it not? This is equal to, X is equal to, here in numerator, here in denominator it is 2. Is it not? Here the LCM is also 2. So 2 to cancel. So you will be left with 8 plus X into 9 plus 2X by, here it will be 16 plus 2X plus 9 plus 2X. So this is equal to, this is nothing but, now if you multiply you will get 8 into 9 is nothing but it is 72 plus, here it is 16 X plus 2 into 8 is nothing but 16X. Next it is 9 into X is plus 9X plus 2x into X is nothing but 2x square. Is it not? Divided by, this is nothing but 16 plus 9 is 25 plus 4x we got. Now take this 25 plus 4x to LHS. This becomes 25 plus 4x into X becomes 25x plus 4x square equal to, this is nothing but 72 plus 16 plus 9x is nothing but 25x plus 2x square. So 25x cancels. Now bring this plus 2x to this side. That is, if you bring 2x square to LHS, cancel, this becomes 4x square minus 2 is 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2x square equal to 72. So x square is equal to 72 by 2 is nothing but, it is 2 3s are 6 and it is 6. So x square is equal to 36. So x is nothing but, square root of 36 is nothing but 6. Is it not? So x is 6. Let us go to the options. We got the work done by both together is 6. Let us go to the options and check where it is. As everything is in hours, this is also hours. So it is 6 hours. Option is C. Okay, understood? In this problem, he didn't give the time taken by both A and B. That is A plus B, he didn't give the time and he has to find that time only. So I took it as X and gave the condition regarding the relation between the time taken by both together and the single candidate alone. Using those relations, I have just used the shortcut method and finally found the value taken, time taken by both to complete the work. Okay. Here it is at, we got 6 hours, 6 is option C. In this way you have to solve this type of problems. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem, A and B together can complete a work in 12 days. B and C together can complete the same work in 8 days. And A and C together can complete it in 16 days. In total, how many days do A, B and C together take to complete the same work? Options given as 3, 5 by 12, B, 3, 9 by 13, C, 7, 5 by 13, D, 7, 5 by 12. So in this problem, he has given the time. Time as A plus B together took 12 days. So A plus B is equal to 12. B and C together means B plus C is equal to how much time they have taken? It is 8. A and C together means A plus C is equal to 16 days together they have taken. And he has to find in total how many days A, B and C together can take. So A plus B plus C we have to find. If this type of problem is given, the shortcut method is just to find the time taken by 3 candidates is nothing but first multiply all the 3 in numerator, 12 into 8 into 16 divided by, just multiply these two, A plus B and this one, that is A plus B and B plus C, this and this, 12 into 8, keep a plus sign, next multiply these two, 8 into 16 plus, next multiply this and this, 12 into 16, okay, whole into 2. This is equal to 12 into 8 into 16 into 2 divided by, that is I wrote here that 2. This is nothing but it is 16, 1 and it is 96. 96 plus it is nothing but 6 is 48, 4 and it is 128 plus 12 into 16, 12 into 16. The shortcut method, multiplication shortcut method I am using, which I explained in my channel. You can find it in Trick for Quick Calculations. Okay, 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. And here it is 6. 1 into 6 is 6 plus 1 into 2 is 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Here it is 8. Is it not? So this is final answer would be 2. And when you bring this 1 here, it becomes 9. And here it is 1. So we got the value as 192. This is equal to 12 into 8 into 16 into 2 whole divided by, the value will be, it is 7, 8. 8 plus 8 is nothing but 16 and here it is 1. Is it not? So it is 18, 19, 20. 20 plus 1 is nothing but 21. 2. 2 plus 1 and 2. Here it is 2. So 3, 4. So we got 416. Now if we cancel, this goes with 8 ones and it is 8 fives and it is 2. 52, so you will get 416. Next it is 4 fours, it is 16 and here it is 4 ones and it is 3. So we got the answer as 12 into 4 into 2 by, it is 12 into 4 into 2 by 13. Is it not? So this is equal to 4 fours, 16. 16, 1 and it is 4 ones. It is nothing but, here 1 will be there and 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8 plus 1 is nothing but 96 by 13. This can be written as 13 sevens. It is nothing but 91. 91 plus 5. You will get 96 by 5. Is it not? So answer is 7, 5 by 13. Let us go to the options and check. As everything in days, this is also in days only. So option is C. C is the right answer. Okay. Option C is the right answer. in this way you have to solve this type of problems. That is, you have to just multiply the for this in the numerator all the values given in the problem and divide it by, just multiply these two first, next these two, and at last you have to keep a plus sign and multiply these two as I done, whole into 2. This is the shortcut method for this type of problems. This will save time in your competitive exams. Okay, now let us go to next problem. Next problem, A can do a piece of work in 4 hours, B and C together in 3 hours, and A and C together in 2 hours. How long will B alone take to do it? Options given as A 8 hours, B 10 hours, C 12 hours, D 24 hours. So in this problem he has given that given time. What he has given, A took 4 hours to complete a work. A is equal to 4. And B and C together means B plus C is equal to 3 hours. That is what he has given. And he has given A and C completed the work in 2 hours. And he has to find B alone. Options are also in hours. He has given in hours and options are in hours. Okay. So we have to find B alone. B alone means first in our hand we should have A plus B plus C. Is it not? 3 candidates are there. From time taken by A plus B together minus from this time he has given A plus C. Is it not? So if you subtract A plus C, then you will be left with B alone. A plus C time, then you will be left with B alone. Is it not? B alone time. So first we have to find A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, how we will get? If you take these two values, then we can get the A plus B plus C time. Is it not? The time taken together. So A plus B plus C, shortcut method, same shortcut method, just multiply these two, 4 into 3 and divide it by 4 plus 3. This is nothing but 4 into 3 is nothing but it is 12 by, it is 5, 6, 7. Is it not? So 12 by 7 we got. Now we have to find B alone using this value and A plus C value. These two values we have to take into consider to find the B alone time. Is it not? B alone time is nothing but, what is the time? First we have to multiply these two. As I explained the shortcut method before, the same shortcut method to find the alone time of a candidate, divided by, write down here the value of A plus C, 2 minus total 12 by 7. In numerator and denominator, here it is 7, here it is also 7. So both cancels. So 12 into 2 by, it is nothing but 14. 14 minus 2. 12. Is it not? 14. LCM will be 7. So it will be 14. 14 minus 12 is nothing but it is 2. So 2 cancels. So you will be left with 12. Everything is in hours. So this is also hours. Let us go to the options and check. It is option C. Okay. In this way you have to solve this type of problems. Okay. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem. A and B can do work in 8 days. B and C can do the same work in 12 days. A, B and C together can finish it in 6 days. A and C together will do it in, options given as A 4 days, B 6 days, C 8 days, D 12 days. So in this problem he has given that combination of candidates time taken. Is it not? That he has given the time. What he has given, A and B took to do the work in 8 days. B and C. B and C means B plus C. How much time it is? 12 days. And A, B and C. The work is same. Only the time is changed in the combination. So he has given A plus B plus C as 6 days. He has to find A plus C. What is the time taken by A plus C? Is it not? So if you observe, if you subtract from this a plus b plus c time, okay, b plus c, then you will be left with a. Is it not? Similarly, if you subtract a plus b plus c time minus a plus b time, then you will be left with c alone time. Is it not? But we need a plus c. When you take these two values and find a plus c, it will be easy for us. So let us find a time alone. So a time alone is nothing but you have to take b plus c time, this one and this one. Is it not? So multiply 12 into 6 by, write down here 12 minus total value, that is 6. It is nothing but 12 into 6 by 6. 6 cancels, so this is 12. Next, we have to calculate c alone. C alone means which values we have to take? This one and this one. So 8 into 6. 8 into 6 by this 8. First we have to write 8 minus total. Total is 6. So this is 8 into 6 by 8 minus 6 is nothing but it is 2. So it is 2 fourths. It is nothing but 24. So we got a alone value and c alone value. So we can easily calculate a plus c time. Is it not? So write down, find the a plus c time. A plus c time is nothing but you have to take these two values. Just take it 12 into 24 divided by, add those two, 12 plus 24. So this is equal to 12 into 24 by, it is 6 and it is 36. 12 ones and it is nothing but 12 threes. So this goes with 3 8s are. So we got 8 days. Everything is in days, time is in days, so it is also days. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option C. Okay, if they give in the combinations, first find the alone times and you use those two times to find the combined time for the candidates. Okay, in this way you have to solve this type of problems. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem. A and B together can do a job in 2 days. B and C can do it in 4 days. A and C in 2 by 5 days. The number of days required for A to do the job alone is, options given as A 1, B 3, C 6, D 12. So in this problem he has given the time and asked to find the time alone only. So time is given as A and B together. A and B together means the job is single. A plus B is given as 2 days. And B and C means B plus C is given as 4 days. And A and C means A plus C is given as 2 by 5 is nothing but it is 10. 10 plus 2 is nothing but 12 by 5. Now he has to find A alone. So to get A alone, it is similar to previous problem. We need A plus B plus C time. From this, if you subtract B plus C time, you will get A time. Is it not? So first we have to find A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is nothing but the shortcut method is as we learned for the previous problem, that is problem number 12. The same shortcut method I am going to apply here. That is, first multiply in numerator all the values, 2 into 4 into 12 by 5. Okay. And divided by, just multiply these two first, 2 into 4 plus, next multiply these two values, 4 into 12 by 5. Then keep a plus sign. Then multiply this value and this one. A plus B and A plus C. 2 into 12 by 5. Whole you have to multiply into 2. As I explained for the problem number 13. The same thing. Here I am, that is into 2. Okay. You have to multiply whole into 2. So this is equal to 2 into 4 into 12 by 5 into 2 whole divided by, it is nothing but 10 into 4 is 40 plus here it is 8, it is 48 plus it is 20, LCM is 5, is it not? So it will be 2 4s, it is 24 whole by 5. In numerator and denominator 5 is common. Here 5 is there, here 5 is there, so both cancels. So you will be left with 2 into 4 into 12 into 2 by, it is nothing but it is 12, 1, and here it is 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 1 is nothing but 11. So now let us cancel this. This goes with 4 ones and it is 4 twos are 8, 8 and left with 3. So you will get 32. 32 means it is 8. Now we have to cancel this one. This goes with 2 ones and it is 2 14s. Is it not? So this goes at 2 sevens. So we are left with 12 by 7. We got A plus B plus C as 12 by 7. Everything in days. So this is also days. We got A plus B plus C as 12 by 7. Now we got A plus B plus C as 12 by 7. So now we have to use this value and this value to get A alone value. Is it not? A alone time is nothing but multiply this and this, 4 into 12 by 7 whole divided by 4, this value minus total 12 by 7. So this is equal to numerator and denominator 7 is common. So this can be written as 4 by 12 and here it is 28, 28 minus 12. So this is equal to 4 into 12 by, it is nothing but 8 into 8 minus 2 is nothing but it is 6 and here 2 minus 1 is 1. So 4 ones and it is 4 fours, 4 threes. So we got 3 days. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option B. Okay, in this way you have to solve this type of problems. That is, if they give in the combinations, first find the A plus B plus C using the shortcut method, then apply the A alone shortcut method, you will get the required answer. Now let us go to next problem. Next problem, A can build a wall in same time in which B and C together can do it. If A and B together could do it in 25 days and C alone in 35 days, in what time could B alone do it? Options given as A 90 days, B 100 days, C 175 days, D none of these. This problem, in the first sentence he has given that A can build a wall in the same time in which B and C together. That is, he has given that work done by A is equal to the work done by B plus C in the same time. And next he has given that if A and B together can do it in 25 days, in next sentence he has given the time, that is A and B. A and B, A plus B is equal to 25 days and C alone in 35 days. In what time B alone can do? That is what he asked to find. So from this it is clear that if you take the A plus B time, from this time if you subtract A time, then you will get C time, B time alone. We need B time, is it not? B time alone. B alone time we will get. That is what it is clear. But how we will get A time? But he has given the relation between the work between A and B and C. Is it not? So let us take the work done by A plus B plus C. Okay, both all together done the single work, the same work in X days. Okay, let us think they have completed the work in X days. And he has given that the work done by A equal to B plus C. So this will be A plus A equal to 1 by X. Is it not? So this becomes 2A is equal to 1 by X. So A equal to x, 1 by 2x. So A equal to, then this is the work, is it not? So we need time. We need time means what will be the time of A? A equal to 2x, reciprocal of this, 1 by work, is it not? Here this is work and this is time. So time is nothing but 2x days. It is clear. So we got the relation between A and the 2x. X is nothing but the time taken by A plus B plus C to complete the single work. That is what we have assumed. This is time taken by A plus B to complete the single work in a day. So how much work A plus B plus C can complete in a single day means 1 by x. How much time we have assumed? We assumed as x. So first we have to find A plus B. X is nothing but A plus B. Is it not? 2 into A plus B plus C time. That is what the relation we got. Finally we got the relation that A equal to 2 into A plus B plus C time. So first we have to calculate A plus B plus C time. A plus B plus C. How we will get A plus B plus C? It is simple. Just take, if you take these two values, we will get the time taken by A plus B plus C. Is it not? A, B and C. 3 candidates time is there. So this is nothing but 25 into 35 by 25 plus 35. This is equal to 25 into 35 by, this is nothing but 10, 1, it is 60. So 25 ones and it is 25, 5 5s and it is 12s. So we got, this is equal to 5 into 35 is nothing but 175 by 12. So we got A plus B as 175 by 12. What we have calculated, what we got the relation using the statement given by him. That is, he gave the statement A equal to B plus C. Is it not? Using this statement, we got the relation as A equal to 2 into A plus B plus C time. So what will be the value of A? A equal to 2 into A plus B plus C time. Is it not? This time. This is what we got. So 2 into 175 by 12. This is nothing but 6. So we got 175 by 6. Now we need to calculate B alone time. So using this value and this A plus B, we can get the value of B. Is it not? So that is nothing but 25 into 175 by 6 whole divided by 175 by 6 minus combination, that is 25. This is equal to 25 into 175. Here 6 is common. Here also 6 is there. LCM will be 6. Both numerator and denominator. Here in the fraction, here in denominator, here it is 6. So here it is also 6. Both will cancel. So you will be left with 175 minus 25 into 6 is nothing but 0. And it is 30, it is 10, 33, it is 12, 12 plus it is 3 is nothing but 15. So this is equal to 25 into 175 by, it is 5 and it is 25. These two cancels, you will get 175. All are in days, so this is also days. Let us go to the options and check where it is. It is option C. Okay. In this way, you have to solve this type of problems. Using the given statement, you have to find the relation between the candidates in terms of time. First, you will take work and from that you will find the time. Then finally, using those values, if you calculate, if you use the relation for the candidates, you will get the required time. In this way, you have to solve this type of problems. Remaining problems, let us continue in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos on more concepts. Thank you.